Let's say you need to buy an onion. If you're in Oregon and an onion costs 50 cents, you pay 50 cents. That's because Oregon has no sales tax. It's kind of a point of pride for Oregonians, like not pumping your own gas. We make up for it with higher income and property taxes. Voters have rejected a statewide sales tax 9 times in nearly 90 years, each time by more than 70%. But Oregon has bills coming due on things like public pensions and education, and it could have trouble paying. That brings us to Measure 103. A yes vote on Measure 103 would ban state and local governments from ever taxing groceries. It's important to note that Oregon has never taxed groceries. Even the state's most recent attempt at a sales tax in 1993 would have exempted groceries. Supporters of Measure 103 say they just want to keep it that way. They argue the measure is very specific, prohibiting taxes and fees on the sale or distribution of raw or processed food or beverages intended for human consumption. Measure 103's opponents say that same language is too broad and could have unintended consequences. Think about your onion. It was grown in Oregon, stored in Oregon, and sold in Oregon. Opponents say Measure 103 could prohibit any change to any kind of taxes or fees at every step in the supply chain. That's any entity dealing in groceries. Everything from the farm growing your onion to the store selling you that onion, even the gas used to fuel the truck transporting that onion. And that, they say, could make Oregon's budget woes even worse. Again, Oregon has never taxed groceries. Both sides of the Measure 103 debate would have you believe the state never will. This is a battle over whether they can.